welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd vlog this weekend because it's going to be quite a nice one. I'm up in London the whole weekend, it's going to be amazing. I'm currently just at Victoria Station, so I hope you can hear me over that. I'm just waiting for Hart, her train is getting in like 5 minutes, and then we're going to head to Elan Cafe who invited us for brunch. So we've arrived at Elan and oh my god, look behind me, it's just a wall of love hearts. Hope's here. Hello. Oh my god, it's so cool. Like, oh, I should have filmed it upstairs, but like, it's just so pink. And yeah, it's not that busy. And then, oh, I don't know whether you'll be able to see, but there's like horses up on the ceiling. It's mad. So I've gone for a strawberry and banana smoothie. I'm gonna do a taste test. I've got all my straws here. Let's see. Oh my god, that's actually really good. Yeah. What have you got? Iced coffee. It's delicious. 10 out of 10? 10 out of 10? Yeah. Got banana on my finger now. I thought I'd just show you the food. Oh my god, look at this pasta. And what did you get? You got like a cheese truffle thingy. How good. So we've come into Harrods and Hope's found the lipstick machine.
I like this one.
What's that one?
But then I look a bit like a demon.
It has made your eyes quite dark, I'm not gonna lie.
Where are my teeth though?
We're having so much fun.
Hello?
Hang on, I'm gonna give it a go. Oh my god, it's like too much.
No, I think that one.
Yes. What is that?
Oh, that's original.
Oh, that's me. Oh, okay. Oh. I was a bit like, oh, that one's gross.
I don't like red lips.
I
do not like red lips.
What do you think, guys? Is it a vibe? I don't see red lipstick. Oh my god. I cannot believe this is already up. This would be my kind of tree. How much is it?
That bauble is £22.
Very expensive, but this is a very nice tree.
I like the frosted.
Yeah. So we've come into a different Elan and got ourselves a cake. This wasn't gifted. This we paid for. But it's massive, look at it.
I don't know how to approach this. How do I approach this? Like down? Or like, do we like put it flat?
Do we like knock it down? Maybe we knock it down. And then
just go head first? I don't know.
Just take a bite now. So I have now arrived at... Hello mate. Hello. How you doing? I'm alright. So I've arrived in Battersea for Ella's little birthday evening. It's a little bit stressful getting here. She almost crashed. I was in an Uber that didn't know where it was going. So that was good. I feel like I always get that luck. Like I never get Ubers that know where they're going, but to be fair, I didn't know where I was going, so I was a bit like, I don't know. But we're here, we're alive, so that's all good. But yeah, we head out in like an hour for dinner. This face ain't ready for dinner, so I've got to sort this out. So we are ready for the night out. My dress is from River Island, and I wasn't actually going to wear it, and it was kind of like a, I'll bring it just in case, but I actually love it. Like, it's so nice, and I like the sleeves. Tommy's here. Tommy looks really nice. He's just doing off his shoes. But yeah, I think we're going to get the cab in a bit, and then I'll see you at the Ivy. Hi, Jamie.
Hi Becky and everyone else.
Yeah, sorry, I'm vlogging, I didn't tell you. Oh my god, you guys, how delicious this look. I love the Ivy. Oh, someone's happy. So we're currently in the lift, going down from Bluebird. Look at that, the boys have left us. So it's just us. Night out for 2. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassing. Oh, we're here. Oh, it's this way. See, we're going. How embarrassing. Morning. Hope you're all good. We're feeling a little bit fragile today, aren't we, Elle? She's in hibernation. So we are heading off to Astor, which I think is like near London Victoria. It's not too far away. And then my top is very low carb. I'm just gonna hold it like this for now. We've got a little brunch. It's about 11:10 now. The brunch is at 12, so it's not too bad. Why are you filming me? Go away. All I'm trying to do is just have a chit chat. Everyone's just ruining it. Anyway, see you at brunch. So we've just arrived at the Astor restaurant in Victoria, and it's really, really cute. I'm loving all the marble, and the menu looks delish. Got a little eggs Benny as a starter. Little royale for Tommy. Look at him, so cute. And then for main, we've gone for a little burger. Tommy's looks a bit better than mine because I've got mine without lettuce and onions and all the gross stuff. Look at that.
I like the fact that you can just pick it up like this, like you just walk down the town.
Or your burger. So we've just come to a cute little cafe in Victoria, but I don't actually know the name of it. It's like Olin something. It's down Ecclestone Place. It's really, really nice. It's got myself a little hot choc. We've just shot campaign image, which is exciting. Hopefully that will get approved. And then we're gonna make our separate ways, I think. So tired. I'm like, I want to get the train home and just go to bed and sleep. But yeah, I hope the chocolate looks good. Are you sure you don't want anything?
No.
Okay. What did I have on my chin?
There's some chocolate.
Oh, there's some chocolate on my chin, so sorry if you just saw that. So I'm back home now. Back with Mum and Dad. Dad's cooking. What are you cooking? Should I come over? Okay. My dad's a very good cook.
Called Greens Mac and Cheese, and it's from the new Jamie Oliver book called Veg.
Called Veg?
It's called Veg.
Oh, so what are you doing right now?
So this is leeks. This is the stalk of tender stem broccoli and sliced garlic with butter. So you cook that and you soften it all. Nice. And then there's macaroni will be needed, and then we have the
broccoli
florets to go in sometime. I have baby spinach to go in, and we have
it's very green.
Thyme.
Oh, lovely.
Thyme goes in now. And the way to do thyme is you take the stalk and you just strip the leaves like that.
Oh, it went a bit out of focus then. Show us again.
Here's another one I did earlier. Thyme stalk. Strip the leaves off, pop them in.
Lovely. And you've got to do that on all of them?
Yes, quite a lot, isn't there?
Yeah, quite a lot. Shall I help you?
I don't know how much I need of thyme.
How much do you need? Half a bunch. So 15 grams.
Don't need anywhere near that because that serves 6 people.
Oh.
And we've got 4.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you, Chef Dad. We'll check in when the food's done.
Cool.
Love that. Good morning. It's Sunday. It's quite early, hence my voice sounds really, really weird. So I am heading off for a shoot day in London with Hannah. I've currently done, can't speak, half my makeup, so hence why I've got no eyes and no lips. But I'm gonna head on the drive now. It's probably gonna take me like an hour and a half to get to Notting Hill, so I'll see you when we get there. Good morning, monkeys. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Hi, babies. Where's Cleo? Oh, hello, puppy. Oh, hi, Cleo. Hello, baby. You right? Hello, Oz. Good morning. Oh, right, I've got to go shoot now, guys. Let's feed you, and then let's go. Finally got some makeup on. Looking a whole lot better than I did. So I'm currently in Notting Hill. I think like the Maddox Gallery is just up there, if you know, like this area. It was a really nice drive actually. So it took me maybe like an hour and 20, which isn't that bad. I thought that was okay. Maybe even less than that, to be honest. But yeah, it was good. I'm just waiting for Hannah. She's bringing me a Starbucks. What a good egg. She just called me. She was like, "What do you want? What croissant?" And I was like, "Oh, chocolate twist, please," because I didn't have a pan of chocolate. So I don't really know how much you guys know about like blogger shoot days. Obviously, if you do it, like, you know it. But I feel like some people think that when bloggers do shoot, they like kind of like shoot their outfit every single day, which would be great, but it rains in England all the time, so you have to do it on the days where it isn't raining. So that's the plan. I've got 6 looks. I think Hannah might have a bit more, not sure. And I'm just going to try and bash them through. The weather looks okay for now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy. It literally said it was going to rain today, and now it's just like sun and cloud all day. Yes. Thank the Lord. It said it was going to have a thunderstorm at like 2, so that must be coming tomorrow, maybe this evening. I'm so happy. It's literally been such a long time since I've been able to have a proper shoot day and like drive around in my car, because the worst thing, one of the things any blogger will tell you, is changing in the street or changing in like a toilet in a cafe or in a restaurant is disgusting. It's, oh my god, it's rank. It's disgusting. So I quite like bringing my car with me, and then I can just change in the car and hide from people. But yeah, I feel like I've rambled on for 2 minutes. Oh my god. Here she is.
Hi.
Oh, thank you.
They tried. Look, we got Anna and Becky.
Oh, close enough. I like your coat. So I'm joined by lovely Hannah. We're currently at Coat Brasserie. We're gonna get a little brekkie. We've done 2 outfits so far, so it's going well. It's going well, and the sun's out, and it's not raining. Oh my god, when we saw the weather, we were like, yes, get it. Breakfast is served. I've got a crepe complete, and then you've got a egg Florentine. Yeah. Delish. Got yourself a mimosa already on it this time in the morning. Christ alive. I've got a hot chocolate because I'm well behaved. Sober girl. Stopped over. Not really. Oh shit, I failed. You failed and we're 6 days in. It's pretty good going, to be fair. So we were literally just like shooting down there. We're at the colourful houses bit. The people that got all mad and wrote a Daily Mail article about bloggers shooting down the street, but who cares? And we were literally like shooting, and then it started pissing it down. Like, you can't really see it now, but it's a bit damp over here. But honestly, like, God, I was like, it's gonna blow. It's so bad. But hopefully there's some blue sky over there, so hopefully it'll be okay. But how cute does Hannah look in this outfit, by the way? I really like it. So shoot day is finally done. My phone cannot hack it. Like, we're currently trying to get it to work. It's just packed up. So I don't know whether you guys have had this, but with the new Apple update, so like the one that happened at the beginning of this month, October 2019, if you're watching this in the future, basically Apple like did an update, and mine updated 2 days ago, and now it just is broken. Like, I know that there was all that scandal about them like making your phones break on purpose, so apparently they don't do it now, but I just think it's really fishy how the iPhone 11 or whatever it is has come out, and now my phone crashes. It's only 6 months old. Like, it's really quite depressing. So I'm currently trying to get it to work and upload to WeTransfer. Hello. It's now Tuesday. I didn't end the vlog, like the weekend vlog, so I thought let's just make it a weekly vlog. So yeah, currently Tuesday, currently sat in the car park, just in Ella's car, because we're having a little girly day in Brighton. I think we're gonna go for some brunch and then have a little mooch about, not too sure. But I've lost my eyeliner, and I'm really like finding this strange because I've just got mascara on, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. I mean, first world problems, but I'm just like, oh god, it feels so weird, I feel naked. And then I think I need to redo my lipstick. It looks a bit wonky, but I've used the Huda Beauty one. Oh god, where is it? In shade Wifey, because I've had quite a few people ask what shade like lipsticks I wear, and this one I wear quite a bit, and it's Wifey from Huda Beauty. It's very good. So we've just arrived at 6 in Brighton. Are we in Brighton or Hove? Hove. There's Ella. There's Ellie. We're having a cute little girly day. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I hope they've got Eggs Benedict. Oh my god, another day, another Eggs Benedict. She's got farmer's breakfast. Like the farmer I am. Like the farmer you are. And you've got, what's that? Avocado on toast. Avocado on toast. Oh, get the gram pictures, girls. This is the girl that never buys anything. Sorry. What? How many bags? Just 3. Just 3? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, Doll Beauty, love that.
Her birthday, I just want happy birthday, Ella.
Her birthday's currently lasted a week. Birth year. Birth year, birth week. Birthday girls come home. Some really cute little flowers. Aww, so happy. They're not from me. I'm making it seem like they're from me, but I just thought I'd document them so you can look back at how pretty they were. Oh look, Mills. Come on, hon. It's okay.
Oh god, close up.
God, she looks really angry. It's alright, she's focused. No, it looks nice. This lighting's quite nice. It's alright. God, I'm so shocked. Oh my god, I almost fell over. I was like, did she see that? Sorry.
I'm like, get me out of that. Get me out of that camera.
Aw, look at you and your little birthday badge. That is embarrassing. Stop it. What are you doing?
That's the ending to your vlog.
Oh, thank you. Might vlog tomorrow though, but it's a good interlude. Good morning, coming at you from the train with Alice. Hello, good morning. It is currently, what day is it? It's a Wednesday. It's Wednesday. And we've got a day of some meetings in London, gonna do some shooting.
We're both in pale colours
Oh my god, look at us. We're
winter whites.
Welcome aboard
winter wonderland. God, we're so embarrassing. Anyway, so yeah, we've got a nice day today. This is gonna be the last day of the weekly because then tomorrow I go to IPO.
Oh my god, that's so exciting.
Can't wait. We're having a impromptu food break at Colbert and Sloane. It seems like it's the only place that does an Eggs Benedict at this time, so
No, I'm starving.
I was like, it's a must, so we're just gonna come here. But yeah. 2 Eggs Benedict in a row. I have a problem. This is actually getting to be quite scary, how much of this I eat. So, I don't know whether you guys just saw this, but in that last clip, did you see who was sitting behind me? What's his name?
Jose Mourinho.
Jose Mourinho. Alice was like, do you know who you just filmed behind you? I was like, no. Yeah, Jose Mourinho. So you say it?
Yeah, and guys, he gave me a wink.
He gave Alice a wink.
And then said
So
bye.
she's got right in there with a 50-year-old. How old is he?
I don't know. But he was quite cute. He was giving me the eyes.
Sugar daddy vibes.
He was giving me the eyes.
Oh my god. Love how we've come up to London for a meeting and then I'm late. We're late already. Meeting 1 is done. We're currently now in Elan. Look at me, like I'm sat in a secret garden. Waiting for the lovely Danny and Sadie to show up. God, I love these girls. I hope they watch this vlog. They are the best PRs and friends. They're like more friends than PRs, but they're just a dream. Touch-ups. Essentials. Yeah, my lips are just like non-existent at this point, but whatever. So here they are, lovely PR girls. Hi girls. Hi Alice. Hello. Get on a bloody cake. Beckie. So guys, I am back home now, and I just thought I would end the vlog because I'm really, really bad at ending vlogs and I feel like I just never do it. But I just want to say a massive thank you for watching. I know this video has been a little bit weird because it was like a weekend vlog and now it's a week vlog, and it's not even a week vlog, it's like a, what was it, Friday to Wednesday. But I've just walked up the stairs, I'm really out of breath. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.